Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Holden Astra LTZ sedan, stock reference number 5712. The shape runs from the 9th month 2016 through to the 12th month 2020. It has a B14 FT, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. B14 XFT, 1.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the radiator grille, right-hand LED headlight, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors have no damage, left rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid has no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door has no damage, right front door has one small dent, right guard has no damage, right power door mirror and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater control, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio and phone buttons.